As we all know, heart is a small organ and it has a size of your closed fist. So the size of your heart is your closed fist, and the average mass of heart is 250 grams for an adult female, whereas 300 grams for an adult male. And heart rests mainly on the diaphragm near the midline of the thoracic cavity. The location of the heart is, it rests on the diaphragm near the midline of the thoracic cavity. To be more precise, the heart lies in an anatomical region called as mediastinum. Heart lies in the mediastinum. Now, what is mediastinum? Mediastinum is an anatomical region that extends from the sternum to the vertebral column, from the first rib to the diaphragm and between the lungs. It is the anatomical region that extends from the sternum to the vertebral column, from the first rib to the diaphragm between the lungs. Now, coming to the various organs that are associated with the heart. So this table is also very important. Now these are the locations and the associated organs. As we all know, inferiorly the apex of the heart rests on the central tendon of the diaphragm, the inferior surface, or inferiorly the apex of the heart, it rests on the central tendon of the diaphragm, whereas superiorly heart is surrounded by the great blood vessels like aorta, superior vena cava, pulmonary artery and the pulmonary veins. So superiorly the heart is associated with blood vessels like aorta, superior vena cava, pulmonary artery and pulmonary veins. And posteriorly it is associated with the esophagus, trachea, left and right bronchus, descending aorta, inferior vena cava and thoracic vertebrae. Whereas anteriorly the organs associated are sternum, ribs and intercostal muscles. Anteriorly the organs associated with the heart are sternum, ribs and intercostal muscles, whereas laterally the organs that are associated with the heart are the lungs. And the left lung, it overlaps the left side of the heart. So laterally heart is associated with lungs, anteriorly it is associated with sternum, ribs and intercostal muscles, whereas posteriorly these are the various locations and the various associated organs. So this table is very important. By this we complete the location of the heart. In the next session we will be discussing the pericardium of heart.